Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video let me unbox and show you how OnePlus 8T new mobile phone looks like. I ordered it from Amazon. I got it very quickly within 24 hours after ordering. Here you go, OnePlus 8T. Let me open the box. Ta-da! Here is the OnePlus phone I was waiting for. This is the silver color one. So unlike other OnePlus phone, this has nice case, I can say. Not case, the build has like, it is not rough and it looks like it is metallic. Assembled in India. Okay, let's see what else is there in the box. Invitation letter for what? I don't know. I'll check it later. Oh, so many stickers. I need to find a place. I don't want to brand or market these guys, so I'm not going to stick them anywhere. And there is one card like Red Cable Club wala. I need to figure out like what are those. And good that they have given one back case, cable C-type both the sides, and it comes with a fast charger. This is the fast charger. They say it gets fully charged within 35 to 40 minutes. I'll have to use and see how the performance is. So this is just the unboxing video I wanted to make. What I'll do is I'll use it and then make a separate video, and probably I'll upload that on my channel. So hope you guys find it useful. And the price I have got, and I got the price from Amazon of rupees 46,500 something, and with the offers and everything the effective price was around 43 or 44. So that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.